Hello dear friends, good to see you. Let's take a tour of ZonleDoors factory. Welcome to our wood door factory, where we combine traditional craftsmanship with advanced technology to produce high-quality doors for homes and businesses worldwide. We use only the finest materials, such as solid wood, veneers, and engineered wood, to make sure that our doors are beautiful, durable, and sustainable. This also allows us to offer customizations and unique designs to our clients. We value the human touch in our manufacturing process, paying attention to every detail and ensuring that each door is a work of art. We take quality seriously as we subject our doors to rigorous tests and inspections to ensure that they meet or exceed industry standards for fire rating, soundproofing, thermal insulation, and environmental sustainability. We are proud to have certifications from various organizations that recognize our commitment to excellence. We are passionate about providing the best possible service to our customers, whether they are homeowners, architects, contractors, or distributors. We offer competitive pricing, fast delivery, and excellent customer support. We invest in the latest machinery to ensure that our doors are made with precision, efficiency, and consistency. If you want to place a large order, welcome to contact us.